Today we're going to be putting in a seatbelt stop. Our old seatbelt stop was right here, as you can see, and it is popped off. So our seatbelt falls all the way down to the floor, which is quite annoying when I'm getting in the car. I went out to Advance Auto and bought these seatbelt stoppers. Here's the part and the part number for you. Let's get started here. You have a back and you have a pin. Now your pin goes in your back. We pull our seatbelt up and we're going to put our pin in. Make sure the pin is on this side, which is away from the person sitting in the seat. Press it in and make sure it goes through like that. And you get the back of your pin, put it on top. And basically you just squeeze it really hard until it clicks in. Sometimes I like to use a pair of pliers. There you go, just to make sure it's in. You can tell it's in because the back is right flush with the hole. And that's how you put a seat stopper on your seatbelt. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to fix your car. Thanks for watching.